Good morning, everyone. So what am I doing today? Well, today I'm walking in this wonderful winter wonderland that we got overnight. It's a Veterans Day snowstorm that we were not expecting, or perhaps not expecting as much snow. In my area, we got just over 9 inches of snow, so that was a lot. We were expecting about 5. School's closed. Yay, snow day for my kids. So I like to come out in the woods and walk quietly. I listen for the birds, and I bring out my camera to see what kind of photos I can take. So let's see what we get today. This is kind of a treat for me. 2.5 years ago, I was in a car accident that caused me to have some damage to my right ankle. I went through about 18 months of therapies and I don't know, you name it, I went through everything. And last December I had surgery. So I've not had these hiking boots on for 2 winters at least. It's been kind of rough because I really like being out in the woods. I think there's something to be said for being outside, enjoying the silence, being with nature. So this has been kind of nice. I could finally get out. I was really excited about that. I'm not going to say I'm 100%. Ankle still gives me grief, but the hiking boots, their winter hiking boots, will keep me stable, and I'll go as far as I think I can and call it a day. I know that it's highly invasive, but that bittersweet looks so pretty up against the blue sky, the dead brown branches, and the snow. Well, right now, birds don't want to come out and play. Usually I'll find white-breasted nuthatch, black-capped chickadees, northern cardinals. I'll sometimes find tufted titmouse, or even some of the woodpeckers will come out. Now I've heard a couple of those birds today, but no one will answer my calls and no one will come out. I did, however, run across these really cute little mushrooms. I thought it's kind of ironic that they're just hanging out here. This is my favorite one right here. This itty bitty little guy in the knot of the wood. I think that's super sweet. And then I looked up and I happened to see, let's see, where'd he go? Right there. I thought he was kind of fun too. Just hanging out there. A little snow on top. It's like a little gnome, put him there. Why, hello, little mushroom. Well, it really is a shame that no one wanted to cooperate. I kept hearing them call out, but they wouldn't come out for the camera. So I'll show you a couple pictures I took maybe 2 years ago when we had a similar snowstorm. It's nice to take the photos in the snow because the birds are pretty easy to spot. And sometimes I bring seed out when I come to. I didn't bring seed this time. Maybe that's why they're angry. Anyway, it was nice to commune with nature for a few. A little break from being cooped indoors. Get a little exercise. Listen to the trees. Listen to the wind. It's all good.